Hey everyone, it's Rita with Everything Homemade, and I'm going to bring to you a garden tip, a really important garden tip today. If you would like more quick videos like these, definitely check out my gardening blog on our website, everything-homemade.com. I continuously put gardening hacks on there, some really interesting information, and what I'm up to in the garden. So take a look at my plants here. I have a table full of little tiny plants started. Now it is April 14th right now, so I got a good amount sprouting, and what I did this morning was turn on the fan, and you can see it there going. Now the important thing is to get a fan on your little tiny seedlings. Now all of these here are tomato plants, and what I do is I turn on the fan when they're about 90% germinated, because otherwise the dirt dries out too fast. But right now you really want to strengthen them. That's the key. Even though I am down here on the basement, you want strong little tomato plants. So what I will do is actually rotate. So today those tomato plants obviously get the most of the wind. All the table gets the wind, but I'll rotate where the plants are so they get a even amount of wind throughout. Same here, we got some parsley here started, and right here this is a little bit of root parsley here starting. You can see when the fan comes around again how they get some movement, and that really strengthens the stems. I can't stress how important this is to your plant's health. Plus, when you harden them off outside, they don't get as much windburn. Look at these cool plants. These ones here are actually garden huckleberries. Then I got some stevia in the background there. Lots and lots of tomato plants. A lot of these are going, I'm planting about half of what I got. The other half is actually going up for sale. Some really cool varieties like Mystery Keeper. Oh my goodness, Mystery Keeper. This is a cool variety. You can actually hold these tomato plants in storage for like 6 to 8 months. Take them out and you got fresh tomatoes. Like they store so good. So lots of things, and this is really cool, you guys. Look at this. This is one little tomato. In this pot I only had like 5 seeds, and we moved a couple of times over the last years, and this seed is like close to 20 years old, and I didn't know where it was. I found it this year, and so I planted it. They're called Hungarian heart tomatoes. I got seed like from a person. I don't even know who she was. She saw I had a garden, gave me some seeds. Like this was long time ago. Really cool. Only one has germinated, so we really got to baby this one plant because that's all I have of the seed. So I'm really hoping to save a whole bunch of seed this year, so that's really cool. So I'm excited. We are strengthening our plants, and so they're nice and big and strong, and that's what you really want to do. So thank you so much, and I will see you on my blog and on the next video.